Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. For today I have another unboxing video about free products that I received. This video will cover last month. This means that these are the products received for the month of March. Please note that this is not a PR video. These products may be claimed by anyone. The story is the same. On my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, in the feed sometimes it appears different promotion if I want to try a product. If I am interested, I apply. If I am not, I ignore it and scroll down. For some products, I paid for the delivery. In general, for samples, you don't need to pay anything. Here on my channel, I have another video about products received for free. If you want to see it, I will leave a link in the description box below this video. Okay guys, I have many interesting products to show you. I have even a beautiful piece of jewelry. I think I will start with it. It came in this envelope. It's from a brand named Naledi. For this product I paid for the delivery. This brand has a beautiful story. It's born in a small rural South Africa town. Naledi means morning star. Is a name chosen by the team as a symbol of their vision for a shining new future full of bright possibilities. Now let me show you what I got. Is a gorgeous pair of earrings. They look stunning. They are simple, elegant and chic. Like them a lot. Now let's move to the samples that I received. I put all the samples in one box so that we don't have too many envelopes. I will start with this scent from Chloe, Nomad, Intense. Is a new scent from Chloe. Is a 100% natural origin fragrance. It smells nice. I feel the jasmine. Is a floral scent. Here I have another scent from Chloe, Nomad, Eau de Parfum. Is a fresh, feminine, floral scent. If you ask me, I love Chloe fragrances, they are lovely. The next sample is from Prada, Paradox, Eau de Parfum. I know this scent from Prada. Is nice, is floral and powdery. Is not my favorite fragrance to be honest. Is a bit heavy and suffocating for my taste. Here I have a sample from Mugler, Alien Eau de Parfum. Is a beautiful fragrance, is strong, is bold, is woodsy, is floral, is feminine, is a really nice scent. And Mugler has beautiful and interesting scents, is a brand that I like. The next sample is from Kerastase, Purifying Anti-Dandruff Shampoo for oily scalp prone to dandruff. Is a silicone and sulfate-free shampoo that will exfoliate and remove visible flakes. Kerastase is a great brand. I tried a couple of their products and they was great. A bit pricey, but was good. Let's take a look what we have in this black envelope. Is a 1-week kit from the brand Shati Skin. Is a tea-based skincare brand. In the set we have a face serum. Is called the 8 Treasure Glow Serum. This serum will improve signs of aging, dryness and dehydration, fine lines and wrinkles, radiance, smoothness, will firm and tone the skin. I made a quick research about the brand and about this serum and I liked what I found, very curious to try it, to see the texture, how it absorbs into the skin, to see how it works. In the kit besides the serum comes 3 sachets of the 8 Treasure Smoothing Cream. The cream also targets signs of aging, dryness and dehydration, fine lines and wrinkles, radiance, firm and tone of the skin. As soon as possible I will try these products. If you try them, let me know your opinion about them, I will be happy to read it. In the first box I have a product from the brand Flanerie Skincare, I hope I spelled the brand name right. is an eye serum, Wild Jasmine Hyaluronic, Dark Circles Relief and Uplift Eye Serum. Is a vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free and silicone-free product. Is designed to hydrate, revive, illuminate, tone and restore the delicate eye area. And this is a product that I want to try. The brand itself is new for me. Every time when I met a new brand, I try to read more information about it. And again, I really liked what I found about Flaneria skincare. The next products that I will show you, I am familiar with them. I tried them in the past and I like them a lot. Is from the brand Groom, and the set is called Complete Skin Plus Hair Care Set. It contains 3 products inside for body, hair and face. This is the body wash bar, is with orange and grapefruit, is a gentle exfoliating wash bar. I remember that I loved this product, is amazing. For hair we have a shampoo bar, Nourishing Coconut. I remember that I liked and the shampoo. I know that it has a lovely coconut scent. For the face we have a brightening facial cleanser. And the brand Groom has a lovely story. It's founded by 4 friends from Manchester that want to make skin and hair care a little more friendly for us, the consumers, and for the planet. Their products are plastic-free, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, travel-friendly, and are made in the UK. I hope I made you curious and you will click on their website to take a look. Give them a chance, guys. You will not be disappointed. The last product that I want to show you is from Symbiosis London, is the Instant Perfecting Primer. It's described as a universal primer that works to instantly perfect the look of the skin, may be worn by itself or as a makeup base. It aims to improve the longevity of foundation. And with this product, I finished the products I wanted to show you. As I said from the beginning, these products may be claimed by anyone. For some products, I know that they had a condition, you need to live in the UK to get it, but not all of them had this condition. With this, I finished today's video. I hope you like it. Let me know what do you think. Maybe you want to know more information about a specific product shown in today's video. Let me know, guys. I will be happy to help. And this was everything for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!